Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of files not sending on the application of WhatsApp. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps. On above here we search about WhatsApp. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. And you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.